Hey, what is up guys? Alex here from Tech Inspected. We are here in Clark, Pampanga. We are crossing Clark. We're leaving Clark in a bit. Obviously we're gonna pass through some places here, but the goal here is to cross Sacobia River Bridge. I think we're taking the new route to New Clark, but I'm not sure if I'm going to New Clark. But the point is, we are leaving the outskirts, leaving the limits of Clark Air Base or Clark Field, so we can fly drones, because we are trying to test a new drone from DJI Neo, which I paid for myself. This is not a sponsored content. And the DJI Neo has geofencing. What is geofencing? Geofencing means it figures out where it is in the world using GPS. The DJI Neo has GPS. And then if it knows that this is a no-fly zone, it will not fly, or it will land as soon as it can, as soon as it determines that it's not allowed to fly. So that's why we need to leave this area, because I cannot fly in this area. Also, I am going to compare it with my current favorite drone, which is the HoverAir X1, which is a AI autonomous drone, just like the Neo, which shoots 2.7K 30. Very similar sort of product category. Of course, the DJI Neo supposedly has 4K 30 and has GPS and has more range, so that's more interesting. But I think the comparison is still there, and we're gonna compare it today. I don't have all the accessories for the Hover right now, but we are just gonna compare some things with the Neo and the HoverAir for now. This road is lumpy. Why did they make it lumpy? Beautiful scenery. So it's a very interesting place. A lot of motorcycles passing by because they're going home from work, and they're probably wondering what the hell I'm doing in this weird grade. You know, this is not exactly the place to hang out in. There's the drone though. That's the Hover X1. Wonder what the Neo is gonna look like. The DJI Neo 10-meter droney. That's about the same as the Hover. Come here, come here, come here. So I like the fact that when the DJI touches your palm, it just instantly just dies right there. Like, it's more comforting to, like, it instantly goes off. was enjoyable. I was gonna go walk up to the bridge, but I think we'll drive a little bit forward, see what's up there. Don't want to turn left here, go back to the bridge. If we see something interesting in the next corner there, we'll try and fly. Walked a bunch. They put some tarp over the side of the ledge there so that the rainwater wouldn't roll it off. But this place is very picturesque overall. Look at that. You can see a little bit of the road over there too. Look at the mountains over there. Very beautiful. Wow. Yeah. Come on. There we go. So much faff. Oh God. I'd be done flying by now if this was like an easy setup, quick deploy drone, but bakit sir? Manawag, hindi ko alam, pero papunta ng New Clark yan. May labasan naman ng Tarlac. Okay, ingat kayo.
Oh, drone, wow.
Bago lang. So it says right there, takeoff permitted. We are 500 meters limited. Home point updated. Here we go. We'll start recording. So this is what I wanted from a drone necessarily. I mean, the HoverAir is fine when, let's see, this is a big drop. The first time I'm actually flying over like a huge location right here. Let's see if you can. I am not trained. This is my actual first GPS drone here. I think there's no electric lines over there. Get us a nice 4K 30. I'm trying to be I'm sweating over here. You can still see the drone. It's a little gray dot over there. I didn't have a plan on what I'm doing. Just wanted to fly. 91 battery, 90% battery. Seems like our signal is pretty strong. Oh, there's power lines. Oh, back out. So I don't remember if I set this. There are power lines. Holy crap, that almost got me. Yeah, you gotta be. Somebody's about to put a comment in the video saying I should never touch a drone in my life from now on. Somewhere over there, it's recording though. Oh, there it is. It's somewhat quiet, really. Oof, hang on. I'm a bit scared of the power lines. I don't think it's gonna hit. Should we fly over the other side? %75 battery. Let's try and see what kind of height we can get over here. I'm kind of scared because it'll fall into the river if it loses connection or whatever. Look at that. 33 meters, 19 meters distance from us. Max altitude. Let's look around here. That is amazing. 65% battery. That's amazing. That's Mount Arayat. That's just amazing. So I'm very happy with this GPS drone height right there. It's usable content right there, as long as you know the height is fine. All right, so we're doing a follow. Hopefully it doesn't fall in the river, because then we'd be screwed. I don't want to fly the HoverAir with the Neo. I don't want to risk crashing them together while trying to follow me. Though it is, you know, I could risk it, but not right now. I don't really want to do it. Like, first of all, you gotta set them up both. You gotta fly them both. I don't even know how that'll work. But this is the microphone recording using the DJI Fly app and my Fold 3. I'm just holding the phone near my mouth. Yes, my cardio is terrible and I am already out of breath. So I can still hear it behind me. I can still see the preview on my phone. Okay, so I think microphone is recording now. It's a bit of a unpaved road here. Some rebar already ready for concrete. All right, we got past that. Amazing. I'm actually somebody that can walk. Hover is following. There is no box that shows what it's following, just like the app on the DJI Neo. But it's following me. It's a little bit farther. I picked them both to be like medium distance and a little bit higher. And I like the look of the video of this HoverAir though. Okay, so as I was driving, look at this place. And then there's a big bridge over there. And the ridge looks great. Alright, so I guess we'll turn around here. I don't know if you can still go past that. I thought there was a route, but I don't know. There's a view deck? Wow. But it's closed. So alright, let's go home. There's Goshen Resort from this side, this angle, I guess. I think they should open an entrance from this highway. Maybe it'll be much better to get to Goshen than the typical route. Okay, so there's a potential issue with the DJI Neo is as I mentioned before, the geofencing is a little off. So it should be, this area should be allowed, and now I can't fly because we're past the bridge. Clark is way past over there. The bridge, after the bridge, the no-fly zone cuts off at the bridge. So I should be able to fly, but it doesn't allow me. I think I'll try and walk over there and see if I can fly. Okay, it's 6:15. We are headed home. It's getting pretty dark. Can you see anything? There's Mount Arayat. It's very hard to see. It's very foggy. I'm started the defogger on the back window there. This is a nice looking bridge, but it's still kind of lumpy. The road is lumpy.